This is lesson 6 in chapter 2 on sales tax tips and markup, and this is page 151 in your book. Alonzo plans to buy a new kayak that costs $2,100, but when he buys the kayak, it actually costs more because he lives in a county where there's a 7% sales tax. You can find the amount of tax on an item by multiplying the price by the tax percentage. Circle the amount below that shows the amount of tax Alfonso will pay for the kayak. So you want to find 7% of $2,100. Now you can do that with an equation, or you can use a proportion. And $147 would be the amount of the tax that he needs to pay on his kayak. So if his kayak is $2,100 and he pays an extra $147, he's now going to pay $2,247 for his kayak. Now, if you look at number 3, this is another way to think about it. You could use 107%. And then that would give you just your final answer, and you wouldn't have to add anything, because 100% is the kayak's price plus 7% more for the tax. So you would just use 107%. But that's up to you which way you want to do that. All right, and then it says on his kayaking trip, he hired a guide that cost $50. Alonzo wants to give the guide a 10% tip. Explain how to find the amount of the tip. So 10% is really easy. You can just take your decimal one place to the left, and then that would be $5. You could set up a problem for it as well, but 10%, if you just move the decimal one place over to the left, that helps you. All right, let's go to the next page, and let's go to letter A. You have a sweatshirt. Regular price is $42, and the sales tax is 5.5%. So you are finding 5.5% of $42. You can use your equation, or you can use your proportion. You should get $2.31. And if you add that to the price of the shirt, you're going to get $44.31 as your total. So that's sales tax. Gratuity or tipping is when you have a service that you want to kind of show your appreciation for somebody. This could be waiters or waitresses at a restaurant. This could be if you go to the spa. This could be your hairdresser. So a lot of different places that you would give a tip. The other thing is a markup. Stores actually get their items at a lot less than what you pay. They mark up the price so that the store actually makes some money too. All right, so let's go to the next page here at the bottom. Letter B. Scott wants to tip his taxi cab driver 20% if his commute costs $15. What is his total cost? So you want to find 20% of $15. Again, equation or proportion. And that would be $3. And then if you add that to the $15 ride, he's now going to pay $18 for his taxi ride. And letter C, it says find the total cost of a spa treatment of $42, including 6% tax and a 20% tip. All right, so $42 for a 6% tax. So 6% of 42. And that's $2.52 for the tax. And then if you want to give a 20% tip of the $42 spa treatment, that would be an additional $8.40 for the tip. And then you're going to add that to the $42 as well. So you're adding all three of those up. And your total would be $52.92. Okay, oops, sorry. And the last one, let's look at a markup one. A store pays $150 for a portable basketball backboard, and the markup is 40%. So they're going to sell it to you for 40 more percent. So 40% of 150 is $60. And then if you add that to the 150, that means the store is going to sell it for $210.